Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Math. Today we are going to see about the topic of cuboid. What is cuboid? What is cuboid? Total surface area, lateral surface area and volume formula. How to solve the sums also we have to see in the video. Before that, first we have to know about what is cuboid. Okay, so this is the cuboid. Cuboid is made up of rectangle. Cuboid is made up of rectangle. How many rectangles are there? 6 rectangle. Okay, how many rectangles are there? 6 rectangle. So you have to know about first rectangle area is what? L into B, that is length into breadth. That's all. If you know these three information, you can only find out all the formulas. Okay, so cuboid is made up of rectangle. How many rectangles? 6 rectangle. Rectangle area is what? Length into breadth. Okay, next we are going to see about, first see this is the cuboid. This is the cuboid. How many sides are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now this is the length. This is the length. This side will be the breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So this is length means this also length, this is breadth. This is there, you know, this corner edges, this is called height. This is called height. So length, breadth and this will be the height. This will be the height. Okay, I talk what is mean by total surface area? You should add all the 6 sides area. You should add all the 6 sides area is called total surface area. So total surface area of a cuboid is equal to, first we can take this. Okay, I told you cuboid, everything you have to think about your room. All the 4 walls and top and bottom. Okay, that's all. So all the 4 walls I am telling you, this is length, this is breadth. So the first base means L into B. Okay, plus. Again this also, this side is over. Now I want to, you have to write up. So this also length, this also breadth. So again one LB. Next, this is, we have to, now top and bottom is over, we have to take these 2 sides. This is the height, this is the breadth. So this area is B into H. So BH. So this side also same like that, breadth, height, BH. Now top and bottom over, this 2 side over, we have to take this side and this side. This is length, this is height. So length into height. Obviously this also length into height. Now we have to add. So LB, 1 LB, 1 LB, 2 LBs are there and 2 BH are there and 2 LH are there. So what is the common in these 3? 2. Everywhere 2 is common. Is there anything common? No. So you have to take the 2 outside. So LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area formula. That's all. Next we are going to see about lateral surface area. What is mean by lateral surface area? We clearly knowing that we have to leave top and bottom. Remaining 4 sides is called lateral surface area. Okay, so top and bottom is L and B. So you just leave this LB, LB. Remaining you should write BH. What is remaining? You just leave this 2 LB. What is the remaining? 2 BH plus 2 LH. In this 2, which is the common term? 2 is common. Okay. Then B is common? No. H is common? Yes. Here also H is there. Here also H is there. So H also you take outside. What is the remaining? B. This plus this L. Okay. So 2H into L plus B. You can write like that. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? That's all. This is lateral surface area formula. Usually total means all. Lateral means you have to leave the top and bottom. Next, what is mean by volume? Volume I told you how much it can. The space inside, if it is the cuboid box, inside how much space is there? That is the volume. So it is, this formula is base area into height, base area into height. Here base is, this is the base. So this base I told you, this is length, this is breadth. So this is rectangle, length, breadth. So area is L into B. Height is here mentioned also, height only. So the formula is LBH. Volume formula is LBH. This is cubic units. These and all square units. So children, don't memorize the formula. You just think about your room or some match boxes or cuboid shape boxes. Anything you can think. So you only find the formula. Don't want to memory. You want to know only small things. Cuboid means it is made up of triangle. Sorry, made up of rectangle. How many rectangles? 6 rectangle. Area of your rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Like that, you just want to draw. You can find all these 3 formula. Total surface area, lateral surface and area, and volume. How to read means 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. These 2 common for all the 3 terms. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. This also, these and all based on cuboid. Length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid, height of the cuboid. Next also the same, 2H into L plus B. This 2H is common for these 2 terms. This is meaning is L into B into H. All the 3 it is in multiplication. Okay, let us solve the sums now. Let's start the sum now. The first question is height, length and width of the cuboid box are 20 cm, 15 cm and 10 cm. Find is TSA, LSA and volume. What is meant by TSA? Total surface area. LSA means lateral surface area and the volume. Okay. One cuboid box is there. That height, length, width, everything is given. Width and breadth both are equal only. So first you should write the given. In solution, what is the given? You just write. Height denoted as H. Height is 15 centimeter. Then length is 10 centimeter. Width is considered as breadth. That is, height is 20 centimeter. Sometimes we made mistake like this. We have to take the measurements wrong. Everything will be wrong. So height is 20, length is 15, breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay, what is the order they given? You should follow the same order. Next, I want to find first TSA. TSA of a cuboid box. First you should write the formula. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. LB plus BH plus LH. So you have to substitute 2 into what is L, what is B, L into B. So LB means the meaning is L into B. So you just write 15 into 10 plus BH, B and H, 10 into 20, next LH, 20 into 15, next 2 into, multiply these two and these two, 150 plus 200 plus 20 into 50, 300. Okay, now you should add all the 3 values. 500, 150, 650. Now you just multiply this to 650 with 2. Okay, so about 1300. It is the area, total surface area. The unit is centimeter. We have to write square units. Okay, next we have to find LSA. LSA of a cuboid box. So what is the LSA formula? 2H into L plus B. 2H into L plus B. 2H is what? You just write. Where is H? 20. 2 and H both. There is no sign, means the meaning is multiplication. 2H means 2 times H. Times means multiplication. Into L is what? 15 plus B is what? 10. Next 2 into 20, 40. 15 plus 10 is 25. Here also in between multiplication. Okay. 40 bracket means the meaning is multiplication. 40 into 25. That is 1000 centimeter square, because this also area. Next we are going to see about volume of the cuboid box. Volume, what is the formula? L into B into H. L into B into H. Just multiple all the 3 values. That's all. So 20 into 15 into 10. So 20 into 10, 200, 200 into 50. 200 into 15, that is equal to 30, again 100. Okay, 20 into 10 I first multiply it because it is a multiples of 10. Multiplying is very easy. 20 into 10 is 200 into 15. 2 15s are 30, remaining 30. It is the volume, so you have to add cubic units, so centimeter cube. That's all. Is it clear? Next we'll go to move the another sum. Just read the question first. In case if you, it is the one of the best secret in maths. First read the question properly. In case if you are not understand as a one time, read second time, read third time. There is no problem. But you have to read the question. You can understand easily. First you have to understand what is given, what I should find. Okay. Read the question. Find the height of your cuboid. We should find first height. Height we don't know. Okay. Whose base area? So that cuboid base area is how much? 180 centimeter square. And volume. Volume is 900 centimeter cube. This is the question. Okay, volume is given, base area is given. You should find the h. So first you write the volume formula. Volume is what? L into B into H. So we have to find the volume. Base area into height. So write that formula because base area given, you know. Base area into height. Now volume how much? Substitute here. 900 equal to base area how much? 180 into h I don't know. I should find h only. Okay. Next. This h only you can keep this side. Here 180 is multiplication. So opposite side of equal, multiplication comes as division. Multiplication comes as division. You can change because equal. A equal to B means B also equal to A. So you can change the place, no problem. H is equal to 900 divided by 180. 0 and 0 cancel. Next, shall I cancel using 9 table? 2 9s are 18. 10 9s are 90. Again 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So h is equal to 5 centimeter. That's all. Okay, so what you have to think, volume is equal to LBHR. That is the formula. What is base area? What is base area? You are confusing. Don't want to confuse. Volume formula is base area into height. That rectangle base is length into breadth. Okay, that's why the formula is came. If you know the formula how to come, this is very easy. If you practice more sum, you feel it is very easy. I hope you are understand very well. I'll meet you on the next video. Bye.